Hey, it's Ohio Jimbo. I got a lesson for you that's really cool. You recognize that lead in? You're going to love this song. It's a really cool song, so join me as we get into this. You're going to need a couple of chords on this one. It's a E. You will use an A. There is a C in there. And you have a D, a G, and the only kind of scrappy one is that B7. But that's all the chords you'll need to get this song down. So grab your guitar, get it in tune, probably better than mine, but let's get on with this. Follow along. Stand here. Did you get it? That is the entire song, all the way through it. So if you want to kind of see this, I'm going to slow it down and show it to you piece by piece. First of all, that E, that beginning lick, that's the signature of this song. Strum an E chord, okay? Now lift all your fingers off except your middle one. Start with your middle finger, go to the 4th string, back to the 5th string, then go up to the 2nd fret. Do you see that? And then that last trill is this finger goes right down where the E chord is, and you just see that? Now you don't have to do the trill. You can just kind of hammer it on. Depends on how you're playing the chord, but it's really simple to do. Do that trill. Try it. Just on and off, really quick, really quick. So you got an E chord. Now if you don't want to do that, you can do it this way. That's kind of a cheater way around it, but that recognizable riff. Now you get into that first part. Love me 2 times, baby. Love me twice today. Go up to the A. Love me 2 times, baby. Yeah, I'm going away. Down to the D now. Love me once for tomorrow, or once just for to strum. G. And same thing when you get into the next lyrics, and every time you come back on chorus, that chorus is. How cool is that? Simple song, so strum along with it. Now I'm gonna have all these chords at the end of the video so you can kind of look at the chords through. This is the only part you'll have that challenge with, is that first E, that kind of lead in. And that's kind of cool. You just kind of feel that song. Now when I lift my fingers off, if I'm doing it without doing that trill, I keep my index finger on the beginning of that E. So go ahead and strum the E chord and then kind of. Still do it that way too. Love me 2 times, baby. Love me twice today. Love me 2 times, baby. 'Cause I'm going away. Love me once for tomorrow, or once just for today. Strum, 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 strum. Love me 2 times. I'm going away. Yeah, that's how cool that is. That's the Doors. That's Love Me 2 Times. And you're going to dig that song like everybody else will around there. And they all sing with you. They start belting it out. And then someone's going to turn into a poet, just like Jim Morrison was. And they're going to be chanting it out and singing with you. It's a fun song. Great campfire favorite. So keep that for one of the Campfire Fridays, if you ask me. want to do one hammer on you, that's okay. It does the same thing, but the trill kind of gives it that feeling that you recognize it really good. What a great lesson that was, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I enjoyed playing this. So got quite a few more classics coming up, and we got the whole Friday night campfire thing going. So Campfire Friday Night is going to be a huge series that we'll do. That'll give you some ideas of a couple of songs to do at a campfire, like 2 or 3 songs in a row. But for now, this is Ohio Jimbo, and if I don't see you out there, I'll see you in here. Okay, I hope we got that.